So in the morning, in the Daylong workshop, we're going to focus on sound healing, connecting with the body, with the movement, with the sound, deeply discovering the subtle energy in the 5 organ system, transforming these powerful emotions, shifting from fear to power and creativity, from worry to confidence, from anger to courage, from sadness to compassion, discovering the power of our heart. Loving kindness and joy can bring more healing, more benefit of life to ourselves and the people around us. And so the practice is very simple. But when we engaging in a large group, then you can experiencing the resonancy of the group. When we join hundreds, even thousands in person, we're experiencing this collective power. When we connecting through online, globally, with thousands, even millions, we're connecting with that collective energy, intention, energy dedication, but also energy practice to access, also amplify the true power of this wisdom healing Qigong practice. So we're really inspired to practice not only deeply, but also in a large scale, large in-person, online participation, activating the energy within us simultaneously, connecting with the energy of the universe, the energy field on the planet Earth, so we can making the positive contributions in all levels, including healing, physical healing, emotional transformation, and fulfilling our desire for peace and starting within. So the afternoon session, we're going to focus on pure consciousness awakening and learning to upgrading our operating system, our mental limitation, including our unconscious belief system, what is limiting, what is impossible, what is challenging, so we can open to greater possibility, opening the mind to greater creative energy, but also to the essence of pure consciousness. Slow meditation, slow sound, we tap into the nature of ourself, the essence of ourself, realizing the true master is within you, continuously awakening that capacity, guiding our life from the deeper wisdom, deeper knowing, deeper connection.
When I heard Mingtong Gu talk, I recognized that was really authentic. I recognized that he was really representing that union of body and spirit that I had really searched for my entire life.
The first session we had online, Mingtong just jumped out of the screen at me, his energy, his heart, and I was really hooked at that point.
What's really been exciting is integrating what I'm learning through this system of Qigong into my practice as a massage therapist and working with my clients as well.
I had to practice by myself for about 15 years with a teacher here, a teacher there, and it was very difficult. These online programs make it so easy to continuously grow, to continuously heal, and feel connected with something much greater than ourselves, with the big community and then a big Qigong healing worldwide Qi field. So very, very lucky.
Being here has made a huge difference. The energy work, and I love the sound healing. I've been exposed to sound before, and that in combination with the movement is it's really a great combination.
What you're getting is very clear description, very strong modeling. You're getting practice along with him, guidance, and what is not available in most other places is the transmission, the energetic transmission. Along with information, the energetic transmission. What's kept me involved is that I'm getting results.
My pain has lessened. I'm walking much better. I'm really grateful. It's made a huge difference.
My lymphedema has improved, and every day my arm has gotten softer, and I've spent some time out of my sleeve, and I just know it's gonna completely resolve itself.
Wonderful. My heart opened. I feel alive. My voice is better. It's all good. Thank you so much.
So I'm so delighted to invite you, your friends, your family, your colleagues, your community to join us together in person or online globally to experience, dedicate, and embody deeper healing, transformation, awakening, and peace for the benefit of yourself, your families, your community, as well the planet Earth.